One of the first new videos that we're going to post is me surprising Cheese, taking him to New York. We are going to potentially be buying a 1966 vintage European coupe. The new video for Dad and Cheese. Cue the music. Dun, 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 bam, bam, bam. Was that too much, Dad?
It was like super mode, Dad.
Welcome to a new video from Dad and Cheese and
Baby cheese.
Baby Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. All right, you guys ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Let's roll. Baby Cheese, you excited about pajama day at school?
Yeah.
What pajamas do you think your friends are gonna wear?
Maybe or something.
All right, let's go, Joe. All right.
Why do we have to leave early?
Because there's a lot to do today.
What do you mean?
Don't you want to learn? No.
I don't want to learn. I've been learning for over 100 days in second grade. No, I do not want to learn.
Vegas. Oh my God, I just missed your school exit?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, I was daydreaming. I was thinking about, where I'm going for work today. Where are we at?
Why are you driving over here?
Why am I driving so far away from your school?
Oh my God.
That's right. We're ditching school today and we're driving to New York City!
What? I have to go to school.
No, you don't.
What?
Yep.
Dad, I have to go to school.
No, you don't.
What are you talking? So you're telling me I just bought all this for nothing?
Yep.
What? Oh my God.
Nope, I'm gonna call your school right now, tell them that you're not coming, and we are driving to New York City, baby!
Well, that's one day missing up school. I have to do homework.
All right, do homework. You just said you didn't even want to go to school. You said you wanted to be late. Now, I'm telling you, we're driving to New York and skipping school for the day, and you're like, I gotta go to school. Oh, no!
I don't want to miss it.
How do you think Mom's gonna react if she finds out you didn't go to school today?
Oh, that's fine.
I know.
Because she's always reacting.
Always reacts. Yeah, it's always an extreme. I think she's gonna start off in shock, followed by anger,
Yeah.
followed by cool. I'm like, what? Why would you do that? Okay, what did you see? I think that's gonna be the, knowing your mom now, how long have I been with your mom? 14 years? That's what I think she's gonna do.
What's your favorite thing about this car?
It's a Volvo, so it's incredibly reliable. This engine, you will never guess how far someone's driven in this car. Over 3 million miles.
Actually?
In a P1800 Volvo. The car has this beautiful design, and that's because it was designed by an Italian designer firm. And so it has this kind of like sort of Italian look to it, but it's a Volvo. It just looks really, really unique. And there's not a lot of cars that have that sexiness from that era that I liked. And it's not that many like people that really even know about it. So it's kind of this like really unique car that's still reliable. It's a classic. It's going up in value. Like it ticks off all of the boxes. All right. In the garage right there. All right, Cheese, we're here. You excited?
Yeah.
All right. Let's check out some of these cars we saw on the street because there was a few that I liked. There was that Fiat Spider. Let's go check that out. Yeah, I like the Spider. I almost bought one few years back. It was a black one in New Jersey, but it was so rusted, and the guy wouldn't let me drive it, so I thought that was really suspicious. All right, and there she is. She looks even more beautiful in person.
Says it right there.
Yep. There it is.
You like it?
I'm just opening up the door for the first time. I gotta put on my glasses so I can see it really clear. The biggest test is to see if I can fit in this thing. Oh no, it's like, what is it, second and fourth? It's hard to fill out.
Just look at it. Just, it's beautiful. It's in Volvo. The Volvo P1800s. There's seatbelts to this.
No, I think whoever had this before, they took the seatbelts out, so that's something else I would have to put in. That's actually would be the first thing I did, was install seatbelts. You okay?
Yeah, I can fit.
But you do fit in the back seat for now, so that's good. Let's try to crank this thing up.
You like it?
How to open this door is tricky. All right, we are in the car.
It feels good.
Feels good. This
No
thing is
seatbelts.
There are no seat belts in the car, which is not safe. So, one of the very first, actually, the first thing I do is install seat belts, and the hooks are already there. This is where the main hook would go. So this is what the interior looks like. 4-speed.
The owner's in there probably.
Yeah. The dash looks good. The interior is going to need some work, like everything else in this car. Here's the engine. So, all right. The good thing is that the car ran for a while we were sitting there. Definitely some connection points I gotta get changed. Air filters there. Overall, it's okay. We have a good building point. I know what my favorite is.
Of course, the Volvo.
Yeah. What's your favorite?
What would be your second favorite?
Second favorite?
If it was this car, it would be this car. And if it's my favorite, it's between those two.
Which one? The Volvo and the Porsche? You know what? I would say actually it will be one of those Fiat Spiders outside.
What do you mean?
That's my second favorite. Yeah, my second favorite would be the Fiat Spider. But this, you know, this is why we drove up here. I mean, this thing is just amazing. Yeah. Second gear is second gear is bad. It's not going in the second gear, right? But that's not, it's not finding the gear.
Yeah, maybe the...
Yeah, like, yeah. No power.
No power.
See how it pops out? It popped right out a second. There we go. Does this have, I'm assuming this does not have air conditioning.
No.
Yeah. All right, yeah, let me open this thing up.
What?
I want to check out the hood, check out everything. Belts look good. What's the battery's coming in the trunk. This is a fuel injected model, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's good. Dude, that sounds just like my mom's Toyota Corolla car. Like, that sounds almost exactly like my mom's 1989 Toyota Corolla. It's in way better shape, obviously. It's like how does this one feel? It's in way better shape. Obviously, it's like at least 15, 20 years newer. But this one, you can tell somebody already did the work. The transmission shifts way better. You can tell it was repainted within the last decade or so. I never thought I would, well, not never, but I didn't know I would buy another convertible. But let's see how we can negotiate. So I was very surprised that I did not like the 1800 that much. They didn't advertise it well.
You liked it at first.
I liked the car, and I still like the car, but I didn't like that they misadvertised it. Like, I was prepared to buy it today, but I was disappointed that
it was driving terrible.
That it drove horribly. Like, not just bad. I mean, it drove horrible. And the transmission, like it wouldn't go in the second gear. If I could get it for like literally like $2,000, like then it was like, all right, yeah. But they weren't asking for $2,000. They were asking for more. And it needed a lot more. Like they said, like the interior was recently redone. That interior was not recently redone at all. They said it only had one spot where the paint was coming off. Paint was coming off at multiple spots. Fixing tons of, I mean, like I said, I could see the money, like as I'm looking at the car, I just see the money adding up. It's like, I just can't. That was a bigger project than what I thought. But the Fiat looks good.
Drives good.
Drives good, looks good.
Paint all.
Paint's fresh. Interior's fresh. Things work. I feel good about the Fiat. I'm not in love with the Fiat though. That's the only thing. I'm not in love with it. I was in love with the Volvo. I'm not in love with that Fiat. So part of me just is like, do I have to even buy a car? All right, we just stopped at a supercharger in North Brunswick. We're about halfway home, and we're just getting some juice. And I had a great time spending, the day with you, Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah, I thought it was fun.
It was fun. You didn't like being in the car this long, though, did you?
Yeah, it was so annoying.
But seeing New York was cool. Getting some New York pizza was cool. I don't think you like New York pizza.
Nah.
I think New York pizza is some of the best pizza. Anyway,
We went to MetLife Stadium and threw the
Oh
ball
yeah, we
around.
went to MetLife Stadium and played catch out there. That was really fun. But
And we snuck in too.
yeah, we did sneak in. But the thing that we came up here for was the Volvo P1800. That was the main event. So I was disappointed when I got out of the car. I knew I wasn't going to buy that car. I don't know what I'm going to do. Cheese, what should I do?
Find something else before if you want that. Because maybe if we drove to a different state, that is way closer, a little bit more closer.
So maybe something like Delaware or another part of Pennsylvania, because Pennsylvania is huge, so we don't even have to go out of state. There might be classic car brokers definitely in the Philly area. So we can check some things out, but I don't know what I'm going to do. So this isn't meant to be a cliffhanger, and I know, you know, really what's about to happen. I have no idea what's going to happen next. So tune in and find out, and I'll find out on the way. So if you haven't done so, please like this video. Even if you didn't like the video, hit the like button anyway. Like, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't cost you anything. So hit the like button. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. We are trying to build the best car enthusiast. How did I mess that up?
Car enthusiast.
We're going to build the best car enthusiast and father and son channel on YouTube. And in order to do that, we need your support. So hit subscribe. All right, so thank you for watching. Again, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for the next Dead End.
Cheese.
All right, we out.
Peace.
Back hurts. I feel like I'm getting old.
But you're not.
That's what I like to hear. That's why we're best friends.